Hey, what's up guys, it's LBS here again. For today's video, I will be showing you guys this reversible micro USB cable from Gear. So here it is guys, it's called MicFlip and this is what the package looks like. So down here you got the features of the product. So it is tangle free, it's got aluminum shell, corrosion resistance, and of course the main feature is the reversible micro USB plug. So let's open this up, test it out on my devices and see if it actually fits. Alright, so here it is guys. And there is the end part. So you could pretty much put it whatever direction you wish to put it in. Alright, so I got my Moto X Pure here. So let's put this in there and see if it will fit. Alright, so it fits perfectly fine in there. I'll reverse it on the other side. And there you have it guys. Okay, let's try another device. I got my G4 here. Okay, other side. Alright, so it fits perfectly fine in there. So now let's try to put this on the ZenFone 2 and see if it does support the fast charging feature for the ZenFone 2. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug this end part to the power charger. Alright, so here it is. Power adapter for the ZenFone. Plug this in. Okay. So it looks, so it does support fast charging, as you can see from there. So this is pretty awesome. Now you don't have to worry which side we're gonna put it into. So there you have it guys. That was a quick review of the MicFlip reversible micro USB cable from Gear. If you guys are interested in purchasing one for yourself, I'll put a link on the description below. So until then, I'll see you guys in my next video.